Hi, this is Brenda. I really hope you enjoy this home tour. Let's find your dream house today. Talk soon. Hi, Holly here, the sparkling home helper. I really hope you like this house. It's beautiful. Take note of the split level and all the room it has to offer. Hi. Welcome to the front entry. As you can see, you can go upstairs or downstairs, and now you're going to see the lower level game room. It's really amazing. And then it has the backyard entrance. Look at that backyard. Isn't it wonderful? So as you're coming back in, you're going to see a lower level guest suite with an ensuite. Look at that bathroom. Isn't that amazing? And then you're going to come in, you're going to go upstairs, and what this is an open living area, and you can see the large kitchen back over there. And then look at that. That is wonderful. Look at all that seating area. So then you have private and separate laundry area. And then this is going upstairs to the bedrooms, and look at that owner suite. Isn't that amazing? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let you look through the videos and let me know if you have any questions. Oh my gosh, look at that closet. Don't forget to give me a call at 702-813-9454 if you'd like a private tour to this brand new home in the Southwest area. Talk soon. Bye.